Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Neil and in today's video, I'm gonna cover another challenging geometry question. Without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, we have a circle with two given chords and which are AB and CD, and they are perpendicular, so we can see a right angle here, and we are going to find the value of the radius of this circle. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to find the value of each chord. So CD is 1 plus 7 is 8, and AB is 1 plus 7 as well, which is 8. So CD equals AB, which are 8. And now, this is the center of this circle. Let's call this O, and I'm going to draw a perpendicular line to the chord CD. And we know that the perpendicular line from the center of a circle to a chord bisects the chord. So if we call this H, in fact, HD, this part, equals to CH, this part. Okay, so HD is half of 8, which is 4. HD is 4. And how about OH? I'm going to use another color. Okay, I'm going to draw a perpendicular line to the chord A, B, and the same story. If this is H prime, so AH prime equals H prime B, because OH prime bisects the chord. Okay, so in this case, AH prime here is half of 8, 4, and I'm going to find the OH. OH is the difference of AH prime and let's call this M, this point, AM, which is 4 minus 1 and is 3. So OH is 3. And now we are going to find the radius. The only thing that we need is draw a radius OD. You can call this R. And in order to find R, we have a right angle triangle. So in triangle OHD, you can use Pythagoras theorem, r squared, because r or OD is the hypotenuse of this triangle. R squared equals 3 squared plus 4 squared, and r squared is 9 plus 16, which is 25, and r is radical 25, which is 5. So the radius of this circle is 5. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.